Wait.
I'll give you a tip.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You are a jungle of men now, aren't you?
I'll be dancing.
Having fun?
Yes. Before what?
Beforehand?
They just keep getting better the funnier the day gets. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, what color are we going to do your hand in?
Let's do what color?
The evening green.
X is not a color, X is a letter.
Green.
Says
Alright,
me.
we'll do green next.
Alright, that's then up to the elbow, and don't move until I tell you to. Now, some of you at least know him, right?
All
Yeah.
of us know him.
Oh, I'm sorry. On a scale of 1 to 10, no, we're talking about you, not to you now. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well does he listen? 2? What is
I go a little higher,
What?
like
What is
4.
10 would be
5.
able to
5 or 6.
recite, articulate everything back verbatim. 5.
4, 5.
So we're doing green?
Yes.
Alright. We're going to start your hand off like this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Whistle a song. Don't laugh. Wait, you can't laugh and whistle.
This is a very solemn occasion.
Yes, we're commemorating me chasing you down the street after 25 cents. How could you laugh about such a thing? It used to be... Let me give you some genuine instructions here. Keep your fingers spread as wide as you can. Imagine you're trying to pull the
Watch
basketball.
1, Rachel, and then we're going to go.
Okay.
Alright. Now we're going to dip you in the green wax about thus far, alright? So bring your hand over here. Dip. Mind the edges of the tank. There you go. Take your hand out slowly now. There you are. Quick dip in the water, just in and then nice and slow on the way out. And that's as hard as it gets. After that, it just gets easier. Alright, now, on every subsequent dip, you only want to go about that far. A little bit. It's still fairly articulate. This hasn't completely hardened. It's fairly pliable yet. Alright. Smile for the picture. Or is that still the video?
It's video.
Oh, okay. I keep telling you to smile on the wrong side.
Yeah.
It siphons it out. Alright, go ahead and do another dip in the green. Are you back or...
I thought you were going to give them your undivided attention.
Well, you could give them your undivided attention and get them started forthwith here.
I could.
Just a suggestion. I mean, it's just my thoughts on the particular matter.
Right hand or left hand?
Or we could divide them in half, and we could each give them our undivided attention halfway.
Why didn't you say that? Why didn't you say...
Alright, take your hand out. Alright. You know, you're almost so good at this, it's no fun. I've barely gotten to make fun of you for screwing up. Who said he couldn't listen? I wish I was listening. I wish I could have remembered. It definitely wasn't her. Definitely it was not this one.
What was the question?
Don't worry, you weren't paying attention. Alright.
How do you get the hands looking like that?
I said shush! Alright, now you can unblindfold and we're not gonna... No. That's too much of a pain in the ass. That's one, Tony, how'd you?
Alright, shake that up. Shake all that water
That's
off.
barely behind the paper-thin veil, so just pretend you didn't hear me say that.
Okay.
Try wiggling your fingers just a little bit, like back and forth mostly. Alright, put your hand in the barrel back up to your elbow. Now raise your hand up over your head. You.
I'm going to use this one.
You thought about it for a second. All right. Keep the lamps on.
There, please.
Hey.
Hey.
Now, can you wear that as a glove?
Fingers and spread it
No.
No, it shrinks.
We'll go to about right
Yes.
here. Just within.
I'd say it came out fairly well.
And out.
Best one with a quarter in it I've ever done.
Don't move.
Ah.
Alright, here we go. That's the song, that's the, okay. Hey!